gas on. Lever straight down. Okay. Full throttle.
Full throttle.
Full choke. All the way
choke.
down. And okay. You have to bring it up on compression. See, it's just kicking through.
Mm-hmm.
So if you get it to where it shows a little resistance, and then you bring it up and it's got resistance, that means it's on compression stroke.
Okay.
So do this, let's say it 4 times. 3, 4. Okay. That means the cylinders are primed with gas. Close the throttle. Open the choke. Close it 1 click.
1 click.
This is retarding the spark. Away. It is retarded. And you want this little pin here to be about halfway in the slot.
Okay.
That means it's partially advanced.
Mm-hmm.
Crack the throttle about 1/4 of a turn. Bring it up on compression stroke. Turn the key on. But first, before you do all this, put the battery up. Now it should be ready to start. Make sure it's on compression stroke. And sometimes it won't always start in the first try.
All right. That's okay.